Welcome guys to Life with Amos, and today I'm taking an adventure here in a certain bush here. So there's this plant I'm looking for, but I'm not seeing it. But as you can see, these are arrow roots. But there is a plant I'm looking for, but I can't see it. I don't know where I can find it, you know. So before that, there is this one here. So I don't know the name, but as I can remember, mm, long time ago, we used to use it as a natural detergent. You know, we used to use it as a natural detergent. You know, so we used to use it when washing, when bathing. You know, so that is where we used to do a long time ago. But nowadays, people have changed because we no longer use them. You know, so and today here I'm walking in a. I've never walked this place, but I hope it is a safe place. So let me see if I can find uh, that plant I'm looking for. In Masai we call it saboliot. That is in Masai. In Africa we have in Kenya we have many languages. I'm not sure, but I think we have like 44. Yeah. We have 44 languages. So I've not yet seen that plant. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get it. You know. So there is one here. There is a flower here which is so beautiful. And they are just outside here. you know. So let me try to walk around if I could find that plant, you know. There's a dog there. There's a dog there which is just walking around. So trying to search for that plant, but I can't find it. So today I'm not lucky. Niaje, niaje. Mambo. Eh, So trying to find something here. The sun has come out so hot, you know. Mm. So today I'm walking here. So I tried to dodge something there which is so dirty. And I don't know why I decided to use this route, because I don't know where the route is heading to. Because sometimes you just have to walk, even if you don't know where you are going to. Yeah, even if you don't know where you are heading to, just need to walk. Yeah. Mm. Just need to walk. There's this one which is not in a good health. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. So these are streets in Kenya. Mm. Yeah. Kenyan street. These are streets here. I guess I've walked like 2 kilometers or 3, if I'm not wrong. And now, so if you can see, I was trying to zoom. So uh, I come from that far end there. So that is where I'm coming from. So I can just make it small. As you can see, this is where you can imagine that. See that place. So that is where I'm coming from. That is where I'm coming from. So it is not an easy walk or somewhere close. You can also see the other side. Can you see that road there? Hmm? You can imagine. This is where I just passed a few minutes ago. So I went. I was coming from this place, then I went that place there. So I was coming from this place, going to that place. That place over there. Can you see that place? That is a road there. So, and I was coming from this place here. So that is what they always say, that what goes around always comes around. Yeah. I was just walking around and just met someone whom I was just talking to. You know, I was just talking to someone. See that farthest end. So I'm trying to zoom. So I was going out. Can you imagine walking in this bush at night? Hmm? Walking in this place at night can be so scary. Hmm? Can be so scary. And I've heard so many times that here They do normally kill people at night. Can you imagine? So it is not recommended to use this route at night, uh, because you might find yourself in a big mess, big trouble, you know, big trouble. mm, Big trouble. And today I've just decided to do a faceless video, you know, a faceless video by just showing you around here. So I guess this also will be perfect with you guys. Mm. So this place is so, you know, yeah. I've just slept. Mm. I've just slept that place there, in that stone there. I was about to fall down, but luckily I touched down using my hand. Ah, can you imagine that place? How that place is so watery. Mm. And there's mud over here. So can you see? I've not messed myself. It's only my hand, which is dirty here. And luckily enough, there is some water here which I can use to wash my hands. So let me just use this water. Mm. Trying to put my camera where I can see myself.